Welcome to Bristol Tech's HVAC shop. We teach our students a bunch of different skills, everything from sheet metal, manufacturing, making different transitions and fittings. We troubleshoot different electrical troubleshooting with gas, oil, refrigeration, air conditioning. We teach them how to braze, solder, flare, and connect all different types of refrigerant piping. We do a bunch of different hands-on experience and learning. We have work-based learning where students can actually go out and get a job while being taught and start their apprenticeship early. We do on-site fabrication jobs at customers' homes, installing AC systems.